बैठना बेटा। ईशान।
Super excited, बहुत excited too, because Faizi and I are hosting the red carpet, and so we're looking forward to interviewing a couple of interesting personalities here. उनके साथ थोड़ा fun segment करेंगे, थोड़े टेढ़े मेढ़े questions पूछेंगे, and looking forward to some great kick-ass performances inside. See, MTV basically represents the youth of the nation. So whatever we're going to keep, all the segments are going to be relatable. All the segments are going to be funny, quirky, and kick-ass. ये डिजिटल अवार्ड का कॉन्सेप्ट ही बहुत नया है and it's interesting because actors and actresses keep getting rewarded very often, but there's a whole new era which is the digital era, and there are influencers, there are people who are taking over through web series. So I'm really glad that this platform is recognizing all of them. Yeah. Actually, मुझे अभी डांट पड़ी है मेरे लोगों से because I'm kind of late. I'm supposed to go host a couple of people right now. So thank you for all your bites, and I will see you guys soon. Thank you. Yeah.
Yes, good evening. Speak loudly, lot of noise. बहुत अच्छी एक्साइटमेंट है डिजिटल अवार्ड्स हो रहे हैं, इतने बड़े प्लेटफॉर्म पर हो रहे हैं, बहुत अच्छी बात है एंड आई विश ऑल द बेस्ट टू एवरीवन. बिल्कुल मिलेगा, मोटिवेशन मिलेगा बिकॉज डिजिटल प्लेटफॉर्म अब बहुत आगे बढ़ रहा है, बहुत ग्रो कर रहा है और ये बहुत अच्छी बात है. तो बहुत ही ये काम के लिए काम वाला रहेगा. वो तो मैं नहीं बताना चाहूँगा. लेट द बेस्ट पर्सन विन. वेल मैं नहीं देखता हूँ.
वेरी 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 एक्साइटेड. हमारी जो फिल्म है, शॉर्ट फिल्म माई मदर्स वेडिंग, हैज़ बिन नॉमिनेटेड एंड इट्स अ ब्यूटिफुल फिल्म एंड अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल हैव लव्ड इट. एंड आज वो बहुत बड़े प्लेटफॉर्म पे, इस प्लेटफॉर्म पे नॉमिनेट हुई है. I've come with my director, who is just a 25-year-old young man who's written the film, directed the film, acted in the film. So I feel extremely proud that our film has been nominated and keeping my fingers crossed. इतने बड़े दिग्गजों के साथ nominate हुई है, तो बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है बिकॉज ये प्लेटफॉर्म एक मौका दे रही है यंगस्टर्स को एंड यू नो नए कलाकारों को, नए मेकर्स को, कि वो डिजिटल प्लेटफॉर्म पे अपना हुनर दिखा सके. तो इट्स अ ग्रेट फीलिंग. आई थिंक इट्स अ ग्रेट जॉब डन बाय IWM. मैं अनफॉर्चुनेटली इस साल का नहीं फॉलो कर रही हूँ. कंटेस्टेंट्स तो ऑब्वियसली यस क्योंकि मैंने देखा नहीं है तो मैं कुछ कमेंट नहीं कर सकती. बट सभी दोस्त हैं अंदर. Sanil, you can come here. You're my director of the film, so. Good. Hi, auntie. How are you? Come, Devdeep, come. So ये है the film के director और ये है film के cinematographer.
Well, it's the biggest event of our lives, तो काफ़ी excitement है. Let's hope. काफ़ी excitement है. It's the biggest day of our lives, so let's hope for the best. Let's see whether we win or not. Fingers crossed. Hi.
So our film has been nominated, so he's directed the film and he's done the camera work, cinematography. That's Monisha Khatwani.
एक्साइटेड भी हूँ और नर्वस भी हूँ. मैं लिटरली मैं थोड़ा काँप रही हूँ. वेरी नर्वस. हाँ, प्रैक्टिस छूट जाती है ना रेड कार्पेट पे. लेग ऐसे होगा कि वैसे होगा, पोज भूल जाते हैं. इट हैपन्स टू एक्टर्स अ लॉट. Did I tell you all that? No, maybe you all wanted to see me on red platform. You all said that. No, मैंने कोई commitment नहीं. मुझे अवार्ड फंक्शंस में हमेशा मज़ा आता है बिकॉज इट्स सो ग्लैमरस एंड यू नो रेड कार्पेट एंड ऑल ऑफ दैट. तो देखते हैं, एंजॉय करेंगे. सभी लोग हैं, बहुत सारा एंटरटेनमेंट रहेगा एंड आपका वेट प्लेटफॉर्म भी होगा. अभी टू अर्ली टू टॉक, तो वो कुछ कॉन्क्रीट हो तो फिर बताऊंगी. आई स्पीक फॉर पीपल जो सही तरीके से लेते हैं. अब जो गलत है उनके ऊपर क्या मैं बोलूँ. अब तो किसी भी चीज़ दुनिया में आप उसको सही तरीके से कर सकते हो, गलत तरीके से कर सकते हो. अब सबके ऊपर मुझे अगर कमेंट करना है तो मैं क्लियर रखती हूँ. मैं अपने फोकस को क्लियर रखती हूँ. मुझे पता है कि मुझे क्या फोकस करना है. बाकी दुनिया का आप लोग देख लो. We will talk about that later. I am continuing the fight. I will take it to justice. Victory will be mine and the world will watch. मेरी जो ड्रेस है मैं इन्हें यूएस से ये ली थी एंड आई एम वेयरिंग इट टुडे ऑन द रेड कार्पेट एंड दिस इज़ अ वेरी जनरल ड्रेस. It's a very normal dress, but I'm making it special on the red carpet. Thank you. Thank you.
चलो
I'm done with this, no?
Tanushree done.
have you done here?
Hi, what's up?
What's up? How are you doing? We've been missing you in the gym.
Yeah, gym, fitness first.
हाँ
मैं आ रही हूँ.
आ रहे हो? चलो then I've been missing.
हाँ, you've been missing.
We'll catch up soon. हाँ क्या कर बहुत लाइन जल्दी हाँ कुछ पूछना है नहीं अच्छा आएगा आई एम गेटिंग एन अवार्ड जल्दी ये बता हाँ बोल दो That's the best question. I'm totally excited. I'm going winning an award right now. तो मैं जा रहा हूँ बस मैं चले जाऊँगा नहीं I'm presenting an award. But अगर मेरा बस चले तो I'll give Karan Sharma for the best looking guy in the industry, digital and film and TV, and he's a TikTok star.
मेरा बस चले तो मैं
और Terence sir cannot be waiting. Please, sir.
आप आए dude.
I'm so sorry. I'm eating out of your time, man.
Not at all.
And how sexy are you looking?
What's up? Old.
I love the salt and pepper.
Yeah.
So we'll take your leave. We'll go inside. We can harass him more now. Oh, you want to ask us also something?
Well, प्रतिक्रिया ये है कि अच्छा ही है बिकॉज आज डिजिटल का ज़माना है OTT प्लेटफॉर्म्स का ज़माना है और इस क्षेत्र में बहुत सारे लोग ने अपने
पहली बात तो प्रतिक्रिया वर्ड्स हमने बोला है उसी के लिए एक अवार्ड मिलना चाहिए
शुद्ध हिंदी हर क्रिया के लिए प्रतिक्रिया होना ज़रूरी है तो ये मुलाजमी है तो आई वुड जस्ट से इट्स परफेक्ट इट्स करेक्ट एंड मुझे बहुत खुशी हो रही है कि जिनको प्लेटफॉर्म पहले कभी नहीं मिलता था उनको अभी मिल रहा है दे आर सेल्फ क्रिएटिंग देयर ओन आइडेंटिटी एंड देयर ओन persona so I think it's amazing this is the next generation it's the next wave done
Yeah.
super
Same here. Thank you.
This way.
You have to go this way. Presenters. Karan, you have to come this way.
हाँ, कृष्ण बोलो.
Should I help you? Okay, it's balanced. I just have to start speaking or... Hi. Thank you, darling. I'm really excited to be nominated for my first ever web series, Hangama. And I'm more excited because my producer turned director is going to be here, and you know, we're really looking forward to taking this award home. So yeah. I think every medium, be it films, television, or any OTT platform, I think it's great to have any medium where storytellers can tell their story, and you know, You have great subjects where there are no inhibitions, and where I think as a maker or as an artist you could experiment a lot, and I think OTT platforms are really a boon to all of them. So yeah, I'm really glad that these awards are happening, because I think anything that encourages new talent and kind of आई थिंक कहीं ना कहीं हम सबको अच्छा लगता है कि नॉमिनेशन है, अवार्ड है, तो इट्स रियली नाइस. आई डोंट थिंक देयर इज एनी डिफरेंस. आई थिंक जो भी एक थिन लाइन का डिफरेंस था वो भी निकल चुका है, एंड आई थिंक everybody is working everywhere, and that is how it should be. I think no platform or no medium or no language should kind of bind or bound you to not to work in the other thing. No, not really. No. हस्बैंड को बिल्कुल पसंद नहीं है, इसीलिए मुझे चोरी छुपे वो देखना पड़ता है. So that's the thing. Yes, well, Rashmi is a friend, and मैंने ऐसा सुना है कि वो बहुत अच्छा कर रही है, and she's a very strong woman, as if as far as I've known her, and I really wish her all the best. Yeah, thank you. आप बहुत फॉलो करते हैं ना, मैं नहीं इतना फॉलो करती हूँ. सॉरी. Okay. I don't know. Yeah, I know her as a friend. I'm so sorry.
Yeah, hi. पहले तो बहुत शोर हो रहा है, तो आपका क्वेश्चन भी ऐसे उड़ के आ रहा है, बट येस, आज की इवनिंग बहुत अच्छी लग रही है, एंड निशा इज गोइंग टू बी प्रेजेंटिंग एन अवार्ड, and today I'm accompanying her, so that's very nice.
This is the first time we've come to an MTV red carpet, so that itself makes it so exciting. We're presenting an award.
Yeah, presenting an award. Well, of course, it's a new era of digital platforms that are coming in, and so many new opportunities for people to explore. And more than me, she's very digitally inclined, so she should be answering this, I think.
Well, I'm very passionate about my digital properties. Instagram is my favorite platform to be on. And I think obviously times have changed, and it only makes sense that we have a digital award tonight. And what better platform than MTV? So just want to wish everybody all the best. You're seeing us on Instagram at the moment.
So we are doing things together.
Yes.
Things are in pipeline. I wouldn't like to say anything right now, but we are going for something. We're shooting for something in just 2 days, so that should be out maybe next month.
And at the moment, 2.5 Mehras is what we call ourselves, and we do a lot of social causes.
Yeah, that's what we do.
Recently, we did the beach cleanup, so that is something that you must have seen on on our Instagram pages. So 2.5 Mehras meaning, of course, me, Karan, and Kavish.
So trying to use the digital media also in a positive way as
Yes.
well.
I think it's a great platform to influence people, so being a responsible influencer makes a huge difference.
Honestly, we don't follow Big Boss, so we've not been watching it much.
But now that our friend Shefali has gone in,
Yeah, that's
we
the
do
only
catch
time.
some glimpses
Yeah.
of it, but not really like ardently following it. Yes. So we haven't seen them as players, as contestants on Big Boss, so we don't know how they are. We've not seen that side of them. But yes, Shefali is a dear friend, so I'm going to be partial and I'm going to say that I hope she wins. Thank you. It's a beautiful story of great human endeavor. So first of all, उस story का part बनना was a very big deal for me. So and I got to work alongside such amazing people. I got to be on board with Alt Balaji all over again, and Ekta, as nice as she was so trustworthy with the role. And then on top of that, to be nominated for something like that, it just, you feel really blessed. So I'm very happy. मुझे ज़्यादातर तो यही कॉम्प्लीमेंट मिला है that we could never see you like that, and you know इतनी सीधी और एकदम simple लड़की and all of that. Although I am quite simple, but I am not as innocent as her maybe, or I'm not as naive as her. And on top of that, she's a mathematician, and maths is not really my strong suit. हाँ, और मुझसे बिल्कुल रियल लाइफ में कोई कैलकुलेशन नहीं होती है. सो आई थिंक पीपल जस्ट हैड अ गुड टाइम वॉचिंग मी. I just feel really grateful and very privileged to be a part of such a coveted nomination list. You know, जो fellow nominees हैं, they are so brilliant, and I'm really, I just feel very grateful. Thank you.
Can we just walk through? Can we walk through, please?
I'm very excited because whenever it comes to IWM, Buzz, and with MTV, because MTV made me India's Next Top Model, so I'm always there to support MTV and IWM Buzz, of course. No. एस ऑफ स्पेस 2 की बात करें तो डेफिनेटली एस ऑफ स्पेस 2 वॉज वे मोर ईजियर देन एस ऑफ स्पेस 1 बिकॉज हमको तो कमरे में बंद करके रखते थे, इन लोग को तो चिल जोन में भी आने देते थे, और हमारा था 2 दिन में एक बार टास्क होता था तब हम एक्टिविटी एरिया में आते थे. तो ऑफकोर्स एस ऑफ स्पेस 2 वॉज way more easier than Ace of Space 1, and my favorite was Basir and Shruti. I know them before also, but बसीर का जो ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन हुआ है वो मुझे ज़्यादा पसंद आया. सो या लास्ट में सलमान वॉज वेरी डाउन, वो कुछ करते नहीं थे, कुछ बोलते नहीं थे, तो आई फील कि लास्ट में उनका जर्नी काफ़ी ठंडा हो चुका था. तो मेरे हिसाब से श्रुति, बसीर और रश्मि झा उनको विनर होना चाहिए था. बिग बॉस, बिग बॉस. Thank you so much. Sorry? Yes. फ़िलहाल फेवरेट तो है शिफाली जरीवाल, और भाऊ मुझे बहुत पसंद है बिकॉज़ भाऊ जैसे एंटरटेन करते हैं, आई जस्ट लव हिम, आई लव हिम। थैंक यू सो मच। Who's there? Okay, yeah. Thank you. I'm very, very excited. When I got the invite, I was super excited, and yeah, I'm very, very happy to be here. Sorry, if I could talk about? Yeah. I think it's very exciting that today, these days, it's not just films and it's digital, and there's so much good content which is being put out there, and I think as an audience, I really enjoy watching a lot of web shows. What next? I'll be telling you very soon, but thank you so much for the compliment. Yes, it's a very, a very overwhelming feeling when you get a good feedback, and this is what we work for, this is what we thrive on. So very, very grateful to everyone who liked my performance in Pal Pal Dil Ke Paas. Thank you, thank you, thank you.
हाय सर, हाउ आर यू सर? आपका अगला प्रोजेक्ट कौन सा है? बताइए। मैं नहीं बताऊंगी, टॉप सीक्रेट। थैंक यू सो मच, थैंक यू। यार ये तो हमारा अवार्ड है ना, बिकॉज सारे लोग हमें आजकल वो क्या कहते हैं बॉक्सेस में डालने लगे हैं। तो इफ़ यू आर अ डिजिटल स्टार देन इट्स आवर नाइट, एंड आई एम रियली एक्साइटेड अबाउट टुनाइट, एंड आई एम रियली एक्साइटेड बिकॉज आई एम नॉमिनेटेड फॉर सेक्रेड गेम्स अगेन। तो देखते हैं क्या होता है। Very proud. In fact, I'm really excited because we're also nominated for the Emmys International, and I'm looking forward to be representing our crew in New York, and it's going to be. मुझे तो लग रहा है हम अवार्ड लेंगे। नहीं यार, I think digital is the present. तो जितना कंटेंट हमें आज अपने फ़ोन्स पे आते जाते विथ मोबिलिटी देखने को मिल रहा है, राइट? दैट्स द प्रेजेंट। फिल्म्स को कोई रिप्लेस नहीं कर पाएगा। आई मीन आज भी हम थिएटर जाते हैं, प्लेस देखते हैं, म्यूजिकल्स देखते हैं, कॉन्सर्ट्स देखते हैं। तो मूवीज़ आने की वजह से कुछ रिप्लेस नहीं हुआ है, इन्हांस हो गया है। तो फिल्म्स भी इन्हांस हो जाएंगी डिजिटली, और ज़्यादा बड़े पर्दे पर देखने का एक अलग ही मज़ा आएगा। सो आई गेस इट्स जस्ट अबाउट दैट, बट वेब इज़ हियर टू स्टे। इट्स द प्रेजेंट, इट्स द नाउ। No, I don't have the time to. I don't watch any reality shows because I think हमारी ज़िंदगी एक reality show बन गई है। आप देखो, Instagram खोलो, आप अपनी कहानियाँ डाल रहे हो, तो ऑलमोस्ट आप खुद अपनी कैद में हो और आप अपने घर में हो और आप अपनी ज़िंदगी शेयर कर रहे हो दुनिया के साथ। So I think we are all living in a reality world, a reality non-TV world, but it's a show. So thank you. Always, yeah. Thank you. Bye guys. See you. Bye.
इतनी पर्टिकुलर हूँ क्या कैरेक्टर फाइंड करने में? Well, जितनी पर्टिकुलर हो सकती है उतनी पर्टिकुलर I've tried to be, and the good news is that people really like the show, so I'm very happy. मैं जो खाना वहाँ नहीं खाती थी वो मैं रियल लाइफ में कॉम्पेंसेट करती हूँ इसलिए शो में उन्होंने मुझे खाना नहीं दिया but yeah, that is one of the quirks of the character, that she wouldn't eat food, and but she was scientific, so she knew how to get her nutrients, you know.
I love you, bro.
Maybe there's a film that just released called Satellite Shankar, which is also my film, and I'd like to tell everybody to please go and watch it. It's a very, very sweet film, and there's another project with Drishyam that's going to come out later.
Thank you so much. Very excited because I haven't dressed up for a really long time. So tonight I feel actually pretty and clean because I've been very busy with my rehearsal. So I haven't really gone anywhere for a really long time. So I'm very excited to be here. Yes. I think digital platform is something so new, and India is right now picking up in OTB platforms, and digital marketing is such an important part of our life, which is from showing your talent, raising the opinion that you have about different things, and also talking about things that you like, addressing issues of the society, and having a voice and having an opinion. And I think it's such a great time that you can actually talk about a lot of things on social media, on digital marketing. And as far as me is concerned, I love the digital platform because sometimes you're not going to be able to show exactly what you're doing or what's your opinion. So it's a great platform to be part of it. Yeah. Yes. I think I'm presenting a word to some really cool people that they've done some really cool stuff, and I can't wait to meet them. Yeah. Yes. Yes. Unfortunately, I'm not watching this season. I haven't managed to watch any of the episode, but I hope everyone is having fun and everyone is being true to their followers and fans and playing a really nice and clean game. Yeah. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, guys. Yes, thank you. Thank you.
Oh, this is my first time, my debut here. I think this is the first year I'm coming here, and I'm really excited to see these awards, how they are doing it, and what all they have, sections and stuff like that, what all categories they have. So I'm really excited to see this award. टेलीविज़न और डिजिटल में बहुत भयंकर बहुत ज़्यादा फ़र्क है. टेलीविज़न इज़ नॉट वेरी एक्सेसिबल, while this medium is very accessible, and digital is the future. You can watch everything on your cell, on your hand, 24/7, anytime, anywhere in the world. So that's the major difference you have. And today's youngsters, basically, they are all on this. So, and all kind of stuff you can watch on this. Well, TV is very limited to certain kind of things only, you know. So इस बार का unfortunately I couldn't follow it much. मैंने एक दो एपिसोड देखे सलमान खान के, so he is usually the best. So I only watch the weekend ka war. Sorry, I know them as such, but not really personally, any of them. Yeah. Thank you.
Sorry, sorry, sorry.
You all are here. It's too loud. Oh my god, I'm super excited. It's a web series. It's what the Generation Next is all about. I'm excited to go inside and see किसको क्या मिल रहा है. Some performances. Guys, मैं 72 days तक घर के अंदर थी. मैं last week बाहर आई हूँ, so I don't have much idea. But I saw Kubra Seth, so I'm excited about her. Yes. देखो, I hope everybody behaves well. We're out of the house now, so I'm hoping for a peaceful night for a change. Thank you, guys. What's up?
I'm very, very excited because I think the digital space is finally booming and everyone's doing some fantastic work. I'm myself doing some, interesting content. So I'm looking forward to this. How do I look after it? What do you mean by how do I look after it? किस नज़रिए से देखती हूँ? I think it's a great platform. I think internationally बहुत it's doing really really well. और I think इंडिया में भी अब काफ़ी ऐसे interesting web series बन रहे हैं, अलग content बन रहा है. And I think more importantly, it's given chance to a lot of new actors. A lot of technical crew has gotten a chance to explore much more. So it's great. Sorry? Presenting. Thanks.
it's my first time here, so I'm really looking forward to watching the show. Yeah, I think it's great क्योंकि इतना सारा content और variety मिल रही है सबको देखने के लिए. All kinds of shows are coming up, and actors are getting a lot of great stuff, experimental stuff to work on. So that's great. Thank you.
Sorry. Yes. Hello. Hi. Very. A very close friend of mine works at the IWM Buzz, so I'm here to support him, and very excited for the show here. जी. जी. Yeah, of course. I am completely open to the digital platform. Obviously, it's the place to be right now, actually. So I'm very excited. Well, I've heard the censorship thing is happening now. So why? I mean, डिजिटल है, करने दो ना. अब यार एक पोर्टल है जब फ्रीली बात कर सकते हैं, करने दो बात. उसको भी सेंसर कर देंगे. अब घर पे आके बोलेंगे भाई ऐसे बात मत करो. I hope that won't offend anyone. An action. That's all I can say right now. It's an action film. No. It'll go into production very soon. So we should announce it in a month or so, month and a half, hopefully. Yeah, if all goes well. Thank you, buddy. Thank you very much. Thank you.
I'm here as a consumer, I think, tonight. Well, I'm going to see. I just presented an award, and I'm also here with my friend Nidhi Singh, who is a very well-renowned web actor, and she's nominated for a category. So I'm just going to have fun, and I hope that this encourages more and more content on OTT. We're all consumers, even the people who are getting awards, and all the best to everybody, I hope. I think different people hold awards to different standards. Some people don't care, some people do, and some people live for achieving certain awards. And I think we live in a digital world, so this is the beginning of many. And I'm sure it encourages actors and it gives people the confidence to put out more and more content and keep doing the awesome work that they're doing. Thank you. Yes.
Just finish it now, no? हाँ. Yeah, it's really nice that digital is taking over in a big way. और मैं बहुत खुश हूँ कि मेरी फिल्म केक वॉक has been nominated as the most popular film. So I'm here for that today, and I wish everyone all the best, and I'm looking forward to the awards. I think most of us are. It's very convenient. तो मैं मेरे घर में काफ़ी लोग digital is the way, I think, of the future. So we enjoy watching a lot of digital. I just got the offer of Cakewalk, and it was really nice that Raj Nayak took the film and it released on Boot and on Rishte Cineplex. Yes, there is one in the pipeline called Ek Dua, which will be announcing soon. Yeah.
How are you? Hi. Of course, I'm super excited and dressed all glammed up. So yeah, this is my first award show ever. So I'm super excited for it and I'm looking forward to have a great fun night. Yeah. बहुत ज़्यादा. I've been blessed and I'm really lucky and grateful कि I've done 4 series right now and Ishq Aajkal अभी बंद हो गया है. This was the last season which released on 31st of October. I'm glad, yeah, I'm blessed and I enjoyed it. I never expected that I'll be doing back-to-back every month. Each season will release, but yeah, once that was done, I was super excited and happy for it. Yeah. Unfortunately, I'm not following it every day, but I've watched few episodes जो मेरे को कुछ fans ने कहा था कि मैम सिद्धार्थ शुक्ला ने ये किया, आज उनके साथ ये हुआ, तो I was very curious to see that, and I've seen it, and I'm really supporting Siddharth Shukla. I think वो बहुत misunderstood है, and लोग उनके बारे में एक preconceived notion लेके आए, तो वो बेकार में target हो रहे हैं. I'm really supporting him as of now. Yeah, my favorite, my current vote will go for him. Yeah. Wild card entries, I think only one Bhav, Hindustani Bhav is really famous, and I like his Sanju Baba style. So yeah, he's doing good, he's chilled out person, but my personal favorite will be Siddharth Shukla as of now. Yeah. Welcome.
But we're innocent. No questions? Awesome.
Somebody had to ask me something also. Huh? This is just
bites, you can go from here. After giving bites, you all can go from here. हाँ, or else if you all want to walk, you all can walk from there.
ओके क्या बोलना है क्या बाइट देनी है मुझे It's the first time I'm attending the awards, so I think it's first thing always is a little more exciting. I want to wish all the actors or technicians who are nominated here all the best, and hopefully we'll also get some attention there. Jay. To answer this, I have just only one thing, that I am doing 3 shows on digital platforms, so that gives the answer. I'm not following Big Boss at all. I didn't get time to watch it, but yeah, hearing good stuff about it. It's the best season or something like that. So it's good. अभी इधर किधर avoid ना अच्छी आनी चाहिए क्या करूँ अभी इधर जाऊँ इधर ही आना इधर ही जाऊँ
We're doing bites. बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल कि ऐसे भी अवार्ड्स फाइनली ऑर्गेनाइज हो रहे हैं. अयान बोल रहे हैं मेरी हाइट नहीं आने वाली. और आई एम वेरी वेरी एक्साइटेड एंड लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड बिकॉज आई थिंक ये पहला ऐसा अवार्ड शो है जिसको मैं अटेंड कर रही हूँ जो कि बेसिकली डिजिटल पर है. सो आई एम वेरी हैप्पी दैट इतना अप्रिशिएट किया जा रहा है और इसके लिए एक प्रॉपर अवार्ड फंक्शन है आज. एंड आई एम वेरी हैप्पी टू अटेंड इट एंड बी अ पार्ट ऑफ इट. Yeah, I am nominated in the most popular social media star, but let's see if I win it or not. फैंस इंतज़ार कर रहे हैं तो मैं इसीलिए रोज़ अपनी अपडेट्स उनको सोशल मीडिया पर देती हूँ और टीवी पे अभी इसीलिए मैं नहीं आ रही हूँ. बट MTV पर आने वाले ये अवार्ड्स तो जो तुम मिस कर रहे हैं टीवी पे वो देख सकते हैं. Thank you so much. So I'm wearing the sequenced gown, which is sequenced half, and black is all-time favorite. I don't even remember मैंने कितनी बार functions में black पहने और repeat किया है. I'm not experimenting with colors really soon. And that's it. Just very minimal jewelry, and as you can see, Ayan is wearing this formal thing which he doesn't like. Which he doesn't. That's.
मैं एक्चुअली नॉमिनेटेड नहीं हूँ. सो अगर होता मैं तो मैं ज़रूर एक्सपेक्ट करता बिकॉज मुझे आप लोग के ऊपर भरोसा है. अगर मैं नॉमिनेटेड होता तो
मुझे बहुत सारे वोट्स मिलते.
ज़रूर मुझे अवार्ड दिलाते, लेकिन इस बार हूँ नहीं. मैं बस ये विश कर रहा हूँ कि अपी नॉमिनेटेड है तो अपी को मिले अवार्ड ज़रूर.
थैंक यू.
आज फुल मून है बाय द वे, आज गुरुपुरब है, आज बहुत खूबसूरत दिन है। मेरी तरफ से आप सबको बहुत सारा प्यार और मैं बहुत खुश हूँ कि आज के दिन मुझे काफिर के लिए नॉमिनेट किया गया और मैं यहाँ आ पाई, क्योंकि उस कहानी की जो सोच है, जो नोबिलिटी है, जो प्यार है, जो समझ है, वो आज के दिन बहुत खूबसूरती से झलकती है। और Z5 ने इस कहानी को लोगों तक पहुंचाया। सिद्धार्थ मल्होत्रा और सपना मल्होत्रा ने ये कहानी बोलने का यकीन रखा, हौसला दिखाया। ये कहानी लिखी गई थी 14 साल पहले भवानी अय्यर से, और आज मेरा मानना यही है कि इस पे काम करने के बाद कि द यूनिवर्स's टाइमिंग इज़ ऑलवेज परफेक्ट। कहानियाँ हमें चुनती है, हम कहानियों को नहीं चुनते, लोग हमें चुनते हैं, हम लोगों को नहीं चुनते, और सच हमेशा जीतता है और प्यार हमेशा जीतता है, और यही गुरुपुरब का यकीन है। Humanity is my religion is the theme of the show. So I don't think we could have chosen a better day to celebrate that. And I hope and I believe that whoever has watched and witnessed this truth, this story, has felt it deep in their hearts, just as much as the entire team has. Just as much as Dishita, the little child, did, just as much as Mohit Raina, my co-actor, did. Every single artist on that show, the director, the cinematographer, every technician, the costume design team, everyone found resonance in this truth, and they believed in it, and they trusted it, and they loved it, and you can see it on screen. And I'm so proud of it, and I'm so proud of the editor who stitched it together. Is there news that there's a second part going to be shot? I don't know. We'll find out. I mean, if it's meant to happen, it'll happen. Thank you. Bye. Guys, I have to share this with you. It's so lovely. Come here. This is my mother. Why is she running away? She's very shy. Okay, it's her birthday month, and I think this nomination is a big gift for her. So this one's for you. Huh? Oh, visual.
जी या काफ़ी काफ़ी काम रहा है पिछले एक साल में एंड या IWM को आई वुड लाइक टू कंग्रेचुलेट देम एंड सिद्धार्थ एंड द एंटायर टीम ऑफ IWM सो या आई एम वेरी एक्साइटेड अभी बस 27 को ये देखते हैं क्या होता है लेट्स सी हाउ इट गोज़ आई थिंक आई सी इट एज अ बून यहाँ पे बहुत से लोग हैं जिनको अपॉर्चुनिटी मिल रही है काम करने की and it's a platform where you can express yourself and you know it reaches out to the world without any edits, without any censorship, and I think it's a great place where you know everyone gets an opportunity to showcase what they have. बहुत अच्छा लगा शूट ख़त्म हो चुकी रिलीज़ करीब है एंड 2 महीने में रिलीज़ है आई एम जस्ट कीपिंग माई फिंगर्स क्रॉस्ड साइमल्टेनियसली साथ ही साथ में आई एम शूटिंग फॉर समथिंग एंड तो आई थिंक एज वी गेट क्लोजर टू द शूट आई थिंक थोड़ा ध्यान वहाँ जाएगा बट राइट नाउ या सो दैट्स हाउ इट इज़ इट वाज ग्रेट एज आई हैव ऑलवेज सेड दैट शी इज़ वन ऑफ द फाइनेस्ट एक्टर्स एंड co-actors I've worked with. Thank you so much guys.
with a red
देखिए आजकल सब लोग आप भी जानते हो सब लोग ज़्यादा करके अपना एंटरटेनमेंट फ़ोन पर ही देख रहे हैं तो जो OTT प्लेटफॉर्म्स हैं आई थिंक इट्स अ वंडरफुल न्यू ओपनिंग फॉर ऑल आर्टिस्ट इफ़ इट्स अ डायरेक्टर प्रोड्यूसर राइटर एक्टर यू नो एडिटर उनका काम आप उनको बहुत टाइम मिलता है अपनी कहानियाँ बताने के लिए सेंसरशिप की भी प्रॉब्लम नहीं होती है प्रेशर नहीं होती है बॉक्स ऑफिस की तो जो एंटरटेनमेंट है उसका जो कोशेंट है जो राइटिंग है जो जिस तरीके से आप शोज़ बना रहे हैं इट्स रियली द क्वालिटी इज़ रियली गॉन अप यू नो उसका बार बहुत रेज हो गया सो इट डेफिनेटली डिजर्व्स एन अवार्ड फंक्शन एंड आई एम ग्लैड टू बी हियर मेरी फेवरेट सीरीज़ रिसेंट टाइम्स में एक अंग्रेज़ी सीरीज़ है जिसका नाम है सक्सेशन वो हॉटस्टार पर आती है I've just done final call, and hopefully they'll do a final call too. That is true, yes. No, we start shooting for it in March. We start shooting for Anjan in March, and yeah, I'm very excited about it. It's only one of my first supernatural films that I did.
Yeah? Hi. I think it's amazing क्योंकि अभी web is a platform जहाँ पे you get there's so much of content, and a platform like this recognizes that kind of talent and just awards them, rewards them, which is so special. I won one. I already did, yes. Yeah, I'm nominated for Best Supporting Category in Viewer's Choice, and yes, yeah. Yes, a couple of my web shows are coming, Your Honor, and 2 for Voot. Your Honor is for Applause, and these are 2 shows I'm really excited about. Thank you so much.